Hey guys, I'm Kavetta, a single mom who spent the last 3 years traveling the world full time with my two boys. Now, back in the US, as my oldest prepares for college, I'm sharing a different kind of adventure. I'm here to show you how to fund your travel dreams, whether it's full time, part time, or just those special vacations. I'm revealing how I saved enough to travel without relying on a traditional job and the strategies I'm using now to prepare for our next chapter. If you're ready to turn travel goals into a reality, hit subscribe and join me on this journey. Let's explore creative ways to make money, break down budgeting, and unlock the possibilities that travel brings. Together, we'll discover how to make your travel aspirations a reality. Good morning, you guys. Good morning from an ugly looking Florida. I mean, you can still see some blue skies, which I hope takes over because it's not looking too pretty right now. I'm out here in my mom's garden in my mom's boots. Her little garden boots. It is early morning, you guys. That's why I sound like I just woke up, okay? But I am going to bring you along today, show you what I do during the days. This is something that if you're in between jobs or you're like me, if you watched the last video and you just want to do this kind of stuff full time because you're like me, then you can hop on it. I have 6 phone calls. I have 3 to car dealerships where I don't really want to go into exactly what these mystery shops are because they are mystery shops for a reason. They're not supposed to find out that we're shopping them. But I have 3 car dealership calls. I have 3 tire shop calls to try and get some new tires for the car scenario that they gave me. And then I have 4 gas station shops. So 6 of those would be calls, and normally I can get that done in like 30 minutes, depending if everybody answers. It's like 2-3 minutes each call. And then I have 4 gas station shops. These ones are different from the ones I've done before, but it's basically going and checking out the specific stations, making a purchase. But yeah, so those I have, and I try to choose things that are grouped together. So like 2 are right across the street. Like if you know Florida, you guys, the gas stations there's like 10 on every single corner. Don't ask me how they fit 10 on every single corner, but they do, okay? So, so I'm gonna do that. They're right beside each other, so it's not like a ton of driving, which is why I like these. I can group stuff together. Normally they have more than one at the same place, so I can do those. So I'm gonna do those, and then I'm gonna do Instacart. Yesterday's Instacart was amazing, and I'll show you how I did yesterday right now. Alright, so I just did one of the gas station shops. I didn't record because I feel like if I put a video or something, you're gonna know which gas station it is, and I'm not trying to reveal where I'm going, okay? But I'm heading to another one. There's 2, like I was saying, 2 beside each other, and then I needed to go to Walmart and do a couple of things up this way anyway, so I took 2 more. So that's what I'm gonna do these 2, and then I'm done. 4 shops, and these paid $8 a piece. And I went in there, it was 5 minutes, literally checked the bathroom, rated that, checked the gas pumps, rated that, and made a purchase. You make a purchase up to $2, they'll refund you or give back. So did that, literally 2-3 minutes. It's not even, it wasn't horrible for that. So yeah, so I'm on my way to the next shop.
In half a mile, turn right onto Florida 70 West.
Telling you where I'm going. Okay, cutting that part out. It's the directions, you guys. All right, so I'll take you with me in this one, we'll see. All right, so the next stop, I got this crush. It was $2.29, but when I went up, she rung it up. It was $1.69, so boom, staying under my $2. And oh yeah, Jarrell is here with me. He's not talking to you guys. He did school, so we're just running around doing this, and he's trying to get some clothes for the vacation we're going on. And since I was coming up to Walmart, like I said, I try to put the mystery shops with my daily chores or daily appointments and all that I have to do, so it doesn't seem like I'm going out of my way to do them. It literally took 3 minutes. All right, so now we have one more because I kind of messed up, but it's on the way back home, so it's like literally on the way. So it's gonna run into Walmart, do some chores, do some shopping, and then I will take you to that last one, and then I'll probably show you some Instacart today, see if we get anything. It's a Tuesday, it's normally really slow, so I'm not sure we're gonna get anything, but we'll see. All right, so we are all done, you guys. Now I'm at Publix, trying to see if I can get some Instacart. I doubt it. It is almost 1. I went home after those shops and did some more calls, and they have a ton more calls that's due tomorrow, so I emailed just trying to make sure I'm doing everything how they want to, and see if I can schedule some more. So I'll probably just do a couple more of those because those are so easy, and you make $3 to $5 for like 2-3 minutes. I'll take that. So I did that, and then I just drove down to Instacart here to Publix. Normally when I lived at my house, I lived right by a Publix, so I didn't have to leave my house to see the best batches because I was like right in that circle that Instacart gives you. But now, since I'm by my mom's, I have to drive to the store, and I've seen batches come up when I'm at her house, but not as much. And normally they say if you're at the store you see the better batches, but I doubt it, because I got a $60-something batch from her house before, so I just left and came down, and I've been sitting here maybe 5 minutes, and there's nothing. There is nothing. I'm just gonna cover the store that I'm at, but that is literally what's going on. Move to recommended store. I'm not traveling any further. Instacart. So as suspected, today might be a little bit slow, or it's 12. I normally come out later in the evening, but since I don't have any more mystery shops for today, and I just wanted to see what try some different times. That's what I was doing. Try some different times, and just to see if something will happen, but it's fine. I have my snacks that I got free this morning, so yayers, and I'm just gonna chill. I'll let you know if I get something. I doubt it. I've been seeing some stuff, but it's all crap. Nobody's doing crap, so, well, not me. I'm not doing crap. So I'll let you know if I get something. We'll see. All right, so I just took this one because it is hot out here, you guys, and I need to get inside to get some cool air. So it's a quick shop, 20-30 minutes this will take me. It's just a shop only, and I do enjoy doing shop onlys because you get to stay and not put miles on your car. You don't have to worry about gas. You just shop it, stage it right here in Publix, and that's it. So this was like $10, and I'm fine with that because it's like maybe 20 minutes or so it will take me to shop and put it up, and the store looks pretty empty today, so shouldn't have any issues. So let's go get this. I literally took it because I just wanted to go in and get some AC, like legit. As I suspected, it was extremely slow, extremely low paying batches, but they were all super easy, so I took a couple just to get to $100 in just a few hours, and then called it a night.